Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to be talking about grid in Figma. So grid are what helps our design. They help give consistency and they help us organize our content in our design. So they consist of rows and so here I'm going to be showing you how to create grid on a mobile. So creating grid on a mobile, all you have to do is create a frame, a mobile frame. Click on the F on your keyboard, or you can go to frame on your toolbar, then create a new phone frame or a new mobile frame. Click on that particular frame. Make sure you're clicking on that particular frame. Go to the right sidebar where it has a property panel. Then you see layout grid. Click on the layout grid plus. There you see a plus there that says on the layout grid. Click on the plus, so it brings you to a model. Click on the drop down by the grid, so you see different option. Click on, it takes you to a model. There you see count, color, type, width, margin and gutter. Set your count to 4 for mobile. Then you can leave your color or you can change it if you want to. Leave it in stretch for the type, then the width auto, margin of 16, then gutter of 16. Now for creating the rows in the mobile grid, all you have to do is come to this plus button, this plus icon. Click on the plus icon, then the drop down shows grid. So go to the row drop down that shows row. So go to the rows, click on the count, put it in auto, then the stretch, put it in top. The height should be height of 8, then the gutter should be the gutter of 8. We're working with the 8 rule. So all our design or the properties in our designs will have even spacing and they can all be consistent across the design. So this is for the mobile. In the next video I'll be showing you how to create a grid for the web view. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share this video and comment. Thank you.